Two personal boxes, 27 Upper Deck Premier for Slimeball. Slimeball, we got 1 on the bottom, 8 on top. Give me 2 numbers, sir. Trade Boogie, that's right. Trade Boogie. 1 bottom, 8 ball up top. Drop a deuce on me. And then I'm going to break this. Go grab the case. You saying you want me to pick? Is that what you're throwing at me, Slimeball? Three and 7. Game time. Fung, that is unacceptable chat in the chat box. Unacceptable chat. Whoa, Patrick. Whoa, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. 100% hit the thermostat right after this. Holy smokes, it's a sauna in here. Using the word dodge, Fung. Number to 225, Peyton Manning. Just missing the jersey number. Never mind, I thought that said 17, but it's 71. My dyslexic kicked in. Oh, redemption. Number to 99, David Ball. To 99, Paul P. The redemption was Tony Hunt to 199 again. Sean Marion, number to 99. To 99, 3 colors, Sidney Rice. Dodge. And number to 75, Marion Barber. Yes, it did. It did. Rex Grossman, number to 225. Lee Evans, number to 50. Marion Barber had like 2 good years and then dipped. Tyrone Moss to 225 from the U for the Browns. Dwayne Bowe, number to 175. Ooh, there's an intriguing item. Number 19 of 50 from the rookie year. Adrian Peterson, Marshawn Lynch, and Brandon Jackson. That is a triple rookie relic. Remnants. Rare. It says so because it's on the card. And number 75, Ronnie Brown. And number 75, Brian Leonard. The big hit shall be lurking in those remaining boxes. Thanks, Slimeball. Appreciate it, my man.